लोग को अपन पकड़ेंगे।
Deputy Chief Minister Langdhar, who is also the National General Secretary of NPP today, led an election campaign for their MP candidate Dr. Amperine Lingdo at Iawmusiang market in July. Subsequently, another public election campaign was held at Wahiajer. The campaign was attended by the Deputy Chief Minister and NPP State President Preston Tinsong. In his address, Tinsong emphasized that their party is the only one willing to address border issues proactively, even before the election, unlike other parties that prioritize votes over important issues. Both public campaigns were well attended by supporters, including NPP party workers, to promote the party's vision and gather support for their candidate.
Kita dan ngadu usaha, bilang ke UPP, ke SFPTP, bilang ke Kongres, bilang ke BJP, bilang ke NPP, itu di parti. Ketika political party kita compare, apabila kedua yang kita bermain. Ketika political party kebayalang iba arden baselmo, apabila gambar selection kalian majanda. Itu sekarang itu kan agenda. Agenda kebetulan hak-hak yang kita orang. Depan mami ubah hak.